Hey guys and fellow seekers of success. Today I am going to unravel the secret of personal productivity and ignite a spark within each one of you. Welcome to the transformational journey where we have created the key to personal productivity using Coda. Without a further ado, let's dive into the template.
Hello everyone, I'm Sahiba and I welcome you to Key to Personal Productivity. Well, we chose this theme, personal productivity, because it is very relatable to me and my team as CS students. As we are in college, we have a lot to catch up on. We have our assignments, we have our daily homework, we have interviews to give, we have competitions to participate, and a lot is happening around us. Well, that is when we need a good task tracker to do things and meet deadlines efficiently. Also, you need to be really efficient with tracking your time, managing your time, and doing everything you can for getting placed in today's job market. So let us start with our template. The first page has a to do with your calendar. So this basically has your tasks lined up as flashcards. You can just click on it and then you can type your task here and you can set the priority. Here I have given maths homework 3 stars, and also you can add your related events and also the date and the time of the event. And if you're pretty much done with it, you could just click done and go on with your life. And also some people might feel discomfort in seeing your dates in form of flashcards. So that is where the actual calendar comes. It is a really good feeling when you see your tasks lined up in the calendar with the dates. It is really easy to track and also understand. So that is where we sync the tasks and the events calendar. So we can see here it's set on 29th in 2020 October. So we see here 29th October 2020, we have the same event lined up in the calendar. So that is the magic of Coda and also this template page. So let us move on to the next section of our template, which is my progress. It has a little quotation to keep you cheerful, which is you got this, buddy. So coming to the template, now you want to track all the subjects you have studied and you want to know where you have lagged and where you have excelled. So this bar graphs help you. You can write all your subjects and the corresponding marks, and then it will display a bar graph according to it. So here it shows you have got the least in science, so you can easily understand that you need to improve a little more in science. And also we have kept a small section of study topic summaries. Now when you're traveling to your school and you want to give a quick glance to the trigonometric formulas, you could just click on this flashcard, write them down here, and then add this to your page. You could just open it and then view all the formulas, and then you're ready for your next exam. Now let us move to the next segment of this template, which we call as quick view. Well, in the previous page you can see there were only study summaries of all the topics. Now what happens when you need to study any topic in detail? So that is when you can use this page known as quick view here. For example, I have to study about Python because I have an interview to give. So I'll just look around for all the flashcards which have the questions and the answers so that I can prepare myself on the go. And now the Java interview questions. What if I have an interview in Java? So now as you can notice, these Python questions are in the form of flashcards, while these Java interview questions are in the form of a detailed view. Now why is it so? Now these both have different ways of representing themselves because of the flexibility of Coda. Now how do I change my Python flashcards into detailed view as the Java interview questions? So here we have a really comfortable and amazing option offered by Coda to us, which is options. We could just click on options and then we have the detailed format, and wow, just in a second you see all your flashcards in a detailed manner here. So each and every layout has its own advantages and disadvantages, and also you can add as many subjects as you want. I would like to show one more feature here, which is the AI feature offered by Coda. Now if you just click on the plus sign and click on these magical stars here and then write give me some questions on what can we ask on CSS, and then when you click enter you have a set of questions regarding CSS. Now this is in a form like format, and also you can format it in the detail view just in a second. So what is everyone waiting for? Access this template fast. So moving on to the next part, which is extracurriculars. As we all see it as it is, extracurriculars are a very important part in a student's life, and it is really important to indulge in competitions, to know your extra potential, how you're unique from others. And now when you participate in a hackathon, for example, there are various stages, there are various dates you have to follow, deadlines you have to follow, tasks you have to get done. So You can track all your tasks in the timeline format here in this page. When you're with a group, you can just add your start date, your end date, the prerequisites of the task, and the dependent tasks, and the dependent start date, end date, all the things you want in a timeline format so that you do not miss out on anything and give your best everywhere. Now, this is a task tracker in the table format. As you can see, it has start dates, end dates, prerequisites, prerequisite start and end date, the dependent tasks, dependent task start dates, and end dates. Now, all this will help you be on time and give your very best to win the competition. And here, some days you are just not in a mood to do anything, or you are really happy to do something and you do not know what to do. So that is where this part comes along. Now, sometime when you are really free, you can just write down your favorite things to do when you're happy, which is go for a walk in the park. Or when you're sad, watch a feel-good movie. Now, this will help you to know actually what to do when you feel a certain way. How good is that? Now, that was about your personal productivity. Now, what happens when you are teamed up with a few people to work on a project? Now, keeping that in mind, we have come up with this page called the team page in this template. It has a very special task tracker. Now, what is so special about this? Well, every member of your group can contribute their own task with the progress bar here and also the date when they are supposed to start or complete it. Now, isn't this good? This is the table representation of this page. Next, coming to the online discussions. A lot of things because of today's technology have become online, and it is really important to keep everything in place because internet is a really vast thing. So now, for example, you have designed something on Figma and you cannot just send everyone in the group separately the links, right? So you can just paste it here in this channel so that everyone can access it with ease and give their reviews on it. Now, sometimes to connect, we need to do review meetings or weekly kickoffs. So you could just add the meeting links, the date, day and time here. For example, these are scheduled on Zoom. So you can easily connect with your people by clicking on the single link and it will direct it to the platform. So that is how easy Coda makes for team projects so that you can give your maximum energy into working into the project instead of just scheduling things.
Hey there, it's me again. Welcome to the future of fitness tracking, which we call it the Flex Tracker. We have added this feature in a key to personal productivity because we not only believe that productivity is studying better, getting good grades, or getting into some competition and winning medals. No, not only that. We believe that productivity comes from within oneself, creating new habits, being consistent with those habits, being that 0.1% better every day by creating these kinds of new habits. So, introducing a revolutionary fitness tracker template, a celestial blend of innovation, motivation, and personalization. So, brace yourself for a world of limitless possibilities as we unleash the power to unlock your full potential. So we have three categories over here: the daily habits, the gym schedule, and the calorie tracker, which is one of our favorites. So coming to the daily habits, here we can create few habits which we want to inculcate in our daily life, like having 8 hours of sleep, getting good protein intake, having daily meditation, and you can track your progress throughout the week and get to know how well you're going with your habits consistency. Then comes the gym schedule, which is one of the favorites by the gym buddies. Here you don't have to go to your trainer every week or every day and ask what should I do today, what should I do the next day and all. No, here the gym trainer can assign you with one week or one complete month of activities. Suppose tomorrow is a Monday, so I want to go at 6 a.m. do my cardio, then upper body, and then rest. And the next day I can go, I have done cardio yesterday, so I'll be doing yoga, rest, and then lower body, like this. So it's a complete gym schedule where you don't have to go here and there to know what kind of exercise you're gonna do today. And then we have the calorie tracker, which is one of the most trendiest and one of the most talkative topics, where you can track your calories, basically add your meal and then add your calories, and at the end of the day we can get total number of calories, or at the end of the week you can calculate total number of calories and how much calories you need to be decreasing in the subsequent weeks. So here we can have many kinds of personalizations, many kinds of additions and all, and get your life boosting towards one healthy lifestyle. Thank you. So here we come to the end of our demonstration. I would like to just add one thing. Witness the convergence of productivity, progress, teamwork and wellness in one extraordinary template. From conquering your to-do list to tracking your fitness journey, managing team meetings and embracing the thrill of extracurricular adventures, our creation empowers you to excel in every realm of life. Step into the realm of limitless possibilities and elevate your life to new heights with our all-in-one template, the key to productiveness. Thank you.